Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Volkswagen Jetta key fob. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. To protect your key fob from any marks, it's a good idea to wrap the screwdriver tip with a bit of tape before you begin. To start, press the small button on your key fob to release and remove the emergency key. Hold the fob firmly and look for the seam that runs along its edge. Carefully insert your taped flathead screwdriver into this seam. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery inside. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of which way the battery is facing, usually with the positive side facing down. Use your screwdriver to gently pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, carefully place the new CR2032 battery into the slot, ensuring the positive side is oriented correctly. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot. Now, test your key fob to ensure all buttons are working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.